We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me, cause you love solitude more than me. Now I gaze in your eyes every night underneath kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give.
Good morning, guys! Andito tayo sa Caltex Station kasi pupunta tayo sa Lipa. And may meeting kasi ako na a-attendan doon. And ngayon maaga pa 9:30 pa yung meeting ko, but currently it's at 7:40. So tigil muna tayo dito sa Caltex to have breakfast. Simple naman yung breakfast ko, just McDonald's. And pahinga ng konti kasi galing pa ako sa bahay malayo. Yun lang. Pakita ko sa inyo pag nandun na tayo sa Lipa. So guys, ito yung in-order ko. Hash brown, iced coffee, and cheesy egg desal. Ay, baliktad. Wait lang. Guys, this is my breakfast. Cheesy egg desal. Naka-wake up ako kahit papano, but kakain na ako. Gutom na ako eh.
Our meeting is over. Dumaan muna ako dito to appreciate this painting kasi nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Katabi lang naman ito ng boardroom. You know what, guys? Ito yung high school ko. Dito ko na-spend yung masasayang araw ko during high school. Kaya gustong-gusto ko pag andito ako. And alam mo yung hindi naman nila kailangan magbigay but they still give you gifts. Parang super na-appreciate ko talaga yun. Nakakataba ng puso. I will always feel honored and privileged to serve my alma mater. At yun lang, sapat na. Hindi na kailangan yung mga gifts na ganito. But pa-share ko lang, ang ganda-ganda ng candle na to. May sketch siya nung aming chapel. Tapos meron ding Annette Alberto cheesecake and a box of Mitas empanada. Unbox natin yan sa gabi pag uwi ko. After my meeting, pumunta muna ako sa Batangas to pick up my mom. Tapos bumalik ulit kami sa Lipa para kumain ng lunch. We're here in Lucias. It came out as one of the recommendations in my IG feed. Tignan natin if masarap yung food nila. Meantime, let's take a look around and then usap tayo later about the food.
barbecue ribs ako. Tsaka, may Coke Light kayo, ate? Coke Light, Coke Zero. Sige, Coke Light, Coke Zero. Kuya Mar, kumuha na kayo dyan. Sabihin kayo dyan ng ano nyo.
Okay, honest opinion tayo. Dito kami nakaupo sa labas and may mga langaw na lumilipad. So, kailangan nilang mag-work on cleanliness para maalis yung langaw. Okay, now let's go to the food. Nag-order ako ng barbecue ribs. Ito, so-so lang. Hindi siya memorable. Pero okay, nagutom ako eh. And then yung nanay ko, nag-order siya ng shrimp kebabs. Okay din naman to, kaya lang masyadong ma-oil yung rice and the dipping sauce was kind of sweet for me. Nagkataon siguro na mali yung in-order namin na food kasi yung ibang guests, and maraming guests parang nasarapan naman sila sa food nila. So sana na lang ayusin yung cleanliness kasi sayang ang potential. Ang ganda ng place. So after lunch, dumiretso na ulit kaming paluwas sa Manila, but instead of taking Star Tollway, nag-detour kami sa loob ng Santo Tomas, Batangas to visit a new cafe. Yung cafe is called Paivana Roots Cafe and located siya inside a development like a leisure estate developed by Brittany Corporation. Yun ata yung same developer ng Crosswinds in Tagaytay. Maganda yung place, para siyang garden cafe. And may nakasulat kasi doon na Paivana Roots Cafe by CP. I don't know what CP stands for, but maybe Coffee Project? Actually, may hinala ako na Coffee Project nga kasi parang ganyan yung vibes na binibigay niya. Maganda yung cafe, sobrang bago, and mahirap siyang puntahan kung wala kang car. I don't think pwede ka pumunta dito ng commute. Ang ganda-ganda nung place, nakaka-relax, parang ang sarap mag-work dito, at saka tahimik. Tapos yung hangin sa labas, presko, at saka ang ganda nung pasok ng natural light. Dahil ko konti lang ang tao, nag-attempt ako na mag-vlog dito sa loob ng cafe. So umupo ako dito sa isang upuan, sa sulok, dito malapit sa gawaan ng kape. Grabe, nakaka-conscious. Simula nung tinaas ko yung camera, pinagtitinginan ko ng mga tao. Hindi tuloy ako makapagsalita. Buti na lang tinawag na ako kasi andyan na yung aming kape. So I got Spanish latte and regular latte naman yung sa nanay ko. Guys, yung Spanish latte, fail. Sobrang tamis. Tamis na yung level. Guguhit sa panga mo.
Ito mula sa Batangas eh. Okay, mag-hi muna kayo sa vlog ko. Hi. Hi. Alam mo, best friend. My best friend.
Best friend daw. Palagi naman kayong magkaaway. So, ayan ang Paivana Roots Cafe in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Balik na tayo ng Manila dahil hapon na. Abutin tayo ng traffic. Super excited nung anak ko pagdating ko sa bahay kasi ang dami kong dalang pasalubong. So binuksan natin yung Mitas Empanada. May chicken, may vegetables, and pork. Guys, masarap. Favorite ko yung vegetable. Aside from the empanadas, pinadalhan din nila ako ng cheesecake. Ito daw yung burnt Basque cheesecake ni Annette Alberto. At guys, alam nyong sikat yan. Totoo ang balita na sobrang sarap pala talaga ng cheesecake na ito. And with that, I'll end my vlog here. I just want to say thank you to my DLSL community and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!